Welcome to part 2. If you missed part 1, we transformed this garage sale item into this. If you want to check it out, link in the description. We're going to build a base that fits on this table. I'm outlining some styrofoam and I'm going to cut it with this doohickey. Let's dive in. I'm going to layer these like so. I'm going to glue them together with some wood glue, because that's what I have. If you know of something better, leave a comment. I'm hitting it with a torch to seal up the edges. I'm not trying to burn it. I got some paint from the Dollar General and some Mod Podge. I'm using a 50-50 blend. The Mod Podge is going to create a paintable surface, so I'm going for maximum coverage. And now that it's dry, I'm going to add some dark colors. I want the blacks to get into all the crevices. And now I'm going to introduce some lighter tones. And after that dries, I'm going to hit it with even lighter tones with a dry brush technique. I'm trying to highlight all the raised areas and bring out all the details. Now it's time to sculpt the creepy tree. If you're interested in knowing how I created this wire armature, I've left a link in the description, or like and subscribe. I'm using a water-based air-dry clay that I got from the Dollar Tree. According to my research, this stuff cracks and falls apart. Kinda what I'm hoping for here. I'm going for a dead, burnt tree. And I'm not sculpting any bark textures into these branches, because it all burned away in the fire. This is exactly what I was expecting. Lots of cracks and lots of defects. Some of the clay has even fallen off, revealing the armature beneath. I'm going to seal this with Mod Podge. A couple of coats should do. I want to try to achieve a hardened shell. It seems to be holding up pretty good. I'm adding a black wash. I want to fill in all the cracks and the crevices. I'm going to wipe off most of this, but I want to keep the tips of the tree black, because it's burnt. I'm going to add some charcoal gray to sell the effect. Now we just put everything together. I'm decorating this with some cobblestones. You can also get these at the Dollar Tree. I sculpted some additional roots that I'm adding to the base. And I'm leaving some steps for the game pieces. A little gravel from the Dollar General, and one boulder. And there you have it.